What up, everyone? So, new series that I'm starting, doing not interviews, but reviews of tracks. We're out at Pax Trax today in Florida. I don't know, I think it's Bunnell. We're out in Florida, ripping, and we're at Pax, so I'm about to take you guys on a ride on their main track and do a couple laps and spin some laps and let you guys know what I think. So, catch you out there. So while this runs out here, my wrist brace, as you can see, kind of came apart in the video, and I ended up having to pull over to
kind of put it back together. But overall, PAX was really sick. From the video, you can tell that it was super rough when we were there. Sometimes it's super rough, sometimes it's better. You know, it was pretty busy this day because it was the day before, it was the last practice day before Daytona Supercross. So everybody was there ripping. There was even a bunch of pros that were out there getting last minute sessions in. So overall, super fun track, very good for beginners, like intermediates. I mean, even pros go out there and rip. Like, you know, there's some big jumps and stuff that you can hit, and go fast on. And so there's, you know, it's open practice all the time and whatever. And so it's a good time. It's definitely worth the visit. And, if you make your way down to Florida, PAX is definitely one of the tracks to hit for sure. Thanks for watching, guys.